Number 1. 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 Extended Cab, price $5,500. This work truck has been a reliable daily driver for the past 3 years, boasting an impressive 218,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a robust V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this truck offers ample power for any task. The exterior is a classic blue, complemented by a gray interior. Notable features include ice-cold air conditioner, a wireless charging pad, and a convenient truck bed cover. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, a new water pump, tie rods, and an alignment. While the tires have some wear, they still offer reliable traction. The truck is virtually rust-free and comes with manual roll-down windows. Although it doesn't have a trailer hitch, the necessary mounting points are present for future installation. The vehicle is currently experiencing a minor oil leak. Number 2. 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $9,500. This eye-catching red and black work truck is waiting for its next adventure. The automatic transmission and fuel-efficient engine make for a smooth and economical ride. The 6-seater cab offers ample space for passengers, while the 6.5 ft bed provides plenty of room for cargo. With a 4 out of 5 safety rating from NHTSA, you can feel confident behind the wheel. Come test drive it today at 3400 Dixie Highway, Fairfield, Ohio. It won't last long. Number 3. 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1005, price $8,750. This truck is a no-frills, reliable workhorse. With 132,000 miles on the odometer, it's been well maintained and ready for its next job. It features an automatic transmission, a spacious 8-foot bed, and a newly installed hitch. While there's a cigarette burn on the passenger seat and the seats are currently damp from cleaning, the truck is mechanically sound and has a 5/5 safety rating from NHTSA. Get excellent fuel economy. This 2-seater white truck with a gray interior is a great value for the price. Number 4. 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Extended Cab, price $8,000. This truck is a reliable workhorse equipped with a Eli Lilly Duramax diesel engine. With 226,000 miles on the odometer, it's well seasoned but still has plenty of life left. The truck has a clean title and has recently undergone several repairs, including new brakes, idler and pitman arms, tires, lights, master cylinder, and brake booster. It offers ice-cold air conditioner, hot heat, and zero blow-by. The transmission shifts smoothly and the engine runs strong. The exterior is silver with some dents, and the interior is charcoal. While the hitch could use a slight replacement, it's still functional. This 6-seater, 4-door pickup with a 6.5 ft bed is ready to work. Number 5. 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, price $9,000. This truck has been recently upgraded with 20-inch rims, giving it a fresh and modern look. The 6.0L engine provides ample power, and the automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting. The interior is clean and comfortable, featuring a brown interior. The exterior is a vibrant red. The air conditioning system works efficiently, keeping you cool on hot days. With 175,000 miles, this truck is ready for its next adventure. It comes with a clean title and is priced to sell. Number 6. 2006 Ford F350 Super Duty Crew Cab, price $8,000. This is a solid truck with a 6.0L diesel engine. It has been recently serviced with new injectors and a new transmission, ensuring reliable performance. The exterior is clean and white, while the interior features a gray color scheme. The cab corners have been replaced for a fresh look. Although there are no rear seats, this truck offers ample space and power. With only 420 kilometers on the odometer, it's practically brand new. It's a great option for those seeking a reliable and powerful work truck. Number 7. 2001 Ford F150 Lariat, price $3,300. This is a reliable work truck with 310,000 miles. Despite its age, the engine and transmission remain strong and capable of towing. It features a 5.4-liter engine, a slight lift kit, custom wheels with oversized tires, a drop-in bed liner, and a bed cover. While the back doors are inoperable, the truck still offers power windows, power door locks, a power driver's seat, power side mirrors, intermittent wipers, and a 4x4 system. The aftermarket radio is faulty, but the speakers are in good condition. The air conditioning and heater function properly, and a new alternator was installed recently. CC Services has detailed service records. Although it has some cosmetic imperfections, this truck is ready to work and offers excellent value for the price. Number 8. 1998 Ford F250, price $7,500. This truck in excellent condition. It has a brand new Ford engine with only 20,000 miles on it, and has undergone extensive maintenance. The truck runs and drives smoothly with no issues. The odometer currently reads 200,000 miles, but the new engine has significantly extended its lifespan. It features an automatic transmission and a sleek blue exterior. All necessary paperwork is available for the vehicle. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 3500 Diesel Turbo, price $3,600. This truck is a rugged and reliable off-road machine. The 6.5L turbo diesel engine provides plenty of torque for towing and off-road adventures. The 4x4 system, combined with a large winch and Toyo tires, makes it capable of tackling tough terrain. The truck has been well maintained and has always been garaged, resulting in a rust-free exterior. The spacious interior features tan upholstery. With 263,000 miles, it's ready for many more miles of service. It comes with a clean title. Number 10. 2002 Mazda B-Series Cab Plus, price $5,000. This truck is a great choice. With its automatic transmission, alloy wheels, and bed liner, it's ready to take on any task. The interior is comfortable and equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, and an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. The exterior is a stylish silver. Enjoy the fuel efficiency of this truck. This 5-seater and 2-door pickup, it's a 2WD vehicle with ABS brakes. Number 11. 2006 Nissan Frontier King Cab, price $8,000. This truck is ready to tackle any task. Powered by a strong and smooth 4.0L V6 engine, it delivers solid performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. The automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. With only 98,000 miles on the odometer, this Frontier is still in excellent condition. The exterior, in a sleek silver, shows minimal wear, and the interior is clean and comfortable with a gray color scheme. The truck comes with a lockbox, keys included, and a set of 2-year-old winter tires with studs. Number 12. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado 3500, price $5,800. This reliable truck is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. Despite its size, it offers surprisingly good fuel economy, averaging around 13 to 14 miles per gallon. The interior is in good condition with comfortable 6-way adjustable seats. The exterior is a classic red, and the truck has a clean title. With 230,000 miles on the odometer, it's been well maintained and ready for work or play. The 4-wheel drive system is excellent for handling various terrains, making it a great choice for those who need a versatile truck. Number 13. 2001 Ford F250 Super Duty Crew Cab, price $7,800. This truck has been customized for both performance and style. With a 4-inch lift, new wheels and tires, and performance upgrades like an aftermarket intake and exhaust, this truck is ready to tackle any terrain. The 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine provides ample power, and the recent maintenance ensures reliability. The interior is comfortable, with a tan leather interior, although there's a minor tear on the passenger seat. The truck is in good overall condition and has a clean title. Number 14. 2006 Ford F150 Super Crew Cab, price $7,500. This 4-wheel drive truck is equipped with a powerful 5.4L V8 engine and 33-inch tires, making it ready for any adventure. The interior features a touchscreen stereo and comfortable seating for 6, although there is a tear on the driver's seat. The exterior has some wear and tear, particularly on the hood and roof paint. Despite these cosmetic issues, the truck runs great and has been well maintained with regular oil changes. The odometer reads 208,000 miles, and the majority of those miles have been driven on the highway. The truck features a power slide rear window and 35% tint all around. It's a reliable workhorse that could benefit from a good detailing. Number 15. 2004 Nissan Frontier Extra Cab, price $2,500. This reliable truck has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. It features a clean title and is a second-owner vehicle. Enjoy the convenience of a Kenwood double-din screen and the crisp sound of JBL door speakers. The truck has recently received a new windshield, tires, and taillights. The 5-speed manual transmission provides a smooth and engaging driving experience. While there is some cosmetic damage to the front bumper from a recent deer collision, the truck starts right up and runs great. With 254,000 miles on the odometer, it's a high-mileage vehicle but still has plenty of life left.